Scott Grove, AWFS, you got to check this out. RazorGage. I'm just going to let this guy explain it. It's awesome.
All right, so here at RazorGage, what we're doing is we're defecting, scribing, cutting pocket holes, cutting length, and printing on the board, as well as optimizing your cut list based on what you have here. So for our defecting, we're doing crayon defecting. We start with a start trim, and then any defects along the board, like these knots, you start of defect, end of defect, and you can do that on as many defects as you'd like.
Okay.
So then what you do is you bring this and you put it up against the end of the pusher, and you go ahead and hit scan. It'll pick up and scan the whole board, and after the end, it'll drop down behind the board, and then here on the screen, it'll show what it's found for defects. You can verify that everything is good, and it shows your end of board here, what your length was. You go ahead and continue. It'll load your parts from your cut list based on what it has for defects and what it has to work with for material. And so you'll optimize your cut list based on this. If there's nothing that fit on the board, it would throw a message and tell you. So at this point, we'll go ahead and hit run, and it'll go ahead and start running the board.
And it also labels.
Yeah.
So optimizes cutting, takes out the defects, puts the pocket screws in, and also labels the board. How cool is that, right?
Yeah. And we also have scribing as well here. So.
Oh, and it puts scribe lines. Right. Hold on. Scribe lines right here and here. Thinking. Throw away your tape measure. Great, thank you. Right. Check out RazorGage. Okay, bye-bye.